Hey, the new band songs we're going to do tonight, most of them were taught to us by a former member from Mero, and one that we'll be performing next is called Atqana. And when somebody passes away, usually in our villages, I don't know how common this is, when someone passes away, their namesake is given to someone who's born around the same time. And this song is like a dedication to our namesakes, the one person we're named after who we never meet, but they say their spirit is still within us. It's called Atqana.